Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are done with the specs and menus for this wearable. So this time, we are going to try and pair it with the support app. Okay, so I guess it is using the Dafit or Dafit support app. Okay, we'll check. Okay, if we compare it with the application. Okay, so we can check all the different functions, additional options for the wearable. Okay, so this is in the Android platform. We are going to install the support app. So if you have any questions regarding the installation of the support app, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are now ready. Let's turn this on. Okay, we do hope that we still have enough power left. Okay, and let's check on the user manual. It seems like we have enough power here, as you can see. Okay, so let's open the box. Let's get the user manual and let's check. Okay, so please scan QR code to download other language user manual. Is it listed here? Okay, so it seems like we do have here the Dafit support app or the Dafit support app. Okay, so based on the logo, so we are very familiar with this application, so let's search it. It's a popular application for wearable. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so as you can see here, so we have the application. Let's install the app. Okay, so this will be fast, and as you can see here, just 11.73 MB only. And of course, this wearable is, as you can see, it has an outdoor style. Okay, so far I'm impressed with the design. It's decent enough. Okay, so let's check. Let's go back to the application. Okay, very easy to install application and set up. Dafit app installation with the Colmi M41 in the Android platform. Okay, seems like we completed the installation. Okay, so let's open the application and let's check. Okay, so we have here, just leave it as it is. We have here the first, permission. Allow Dafit to access photos, media, and files on your device. Just allow it. Okay, then next. Okay, add smartwatch to get more health information. Just tap add. Okay, allow Dafit to access this device's location. Allow. So here, Dafit wants to turn on Bluetooth. Just allow it. Turning on Bluetooth. Let's see. Okay. So please select your smartwatch in the petition list. So we only have one here, the M41. Okay. So just tap on it. And repaired. Okay, it's now connecting. So let's see. Okay, we are now connecting to the smartwatch. So let's wait. And we are now paired. As you can see, we do have 67%. Okay. So I guess we are now paired with the smartwatch. So let's check on the notifications. Tap on it. Let's activate it. Okay, another permission. Allow Dafit to access your phone call logs. Just allow it. Allow Dafit to make and manage phone calls. Allow Dafit to access your contacts and allow it. Okay, so seems like it's okay now. Okay, let's go back. Messages, SMS, allow. Okay, nothing to change. Enable read permissions. Okay, then WhatsApp application. Do we need another permission? Yes. Okay, find Dafit, turn on the service. Okay, Dafit will be able to read all notifications, including personal information. Just allow it. And let's go back. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the notification option. Okay, so let's switch to what else? Let's check the other settings here. Others. Time format, it is in a 12-hour format time. Okay, do not disturb mode, reminders to move, let's activate this one. Continuous heart rate detection, we just close it so that it will not deplete our battery fast. Control music, let's activate this. Okay, turn it on. Battery saving. Okay, English language auto lock, 30 seconds. Okay, so the longest time is 30 seconds. Quick view, valid period, drink water reminder. This is good. Let's just activate this. Heart rate warning. Okay, so this is for female. Okay, I'm not going to activate it. Okay, so far seems like everything is okay. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of options. Let's check for the upgrade. Okay, so software is up to date. Okay, this one, let's check. Profile. As you can see, we can integrate it with Google Fit. Okay, steps, sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, outdoor running, more training data. So we have other options here. Okay, I'm not going to check it anymore. Okay, so that's it for the pairing of the M41. So if you have the smartwatch and you want to know on how to pair it with the support app, so its support app is the Dafit app. Okay, check out this video and drop a comment below if you need some help. Okay, we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so that's it. Bye.